Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to disable post emails in X. If you're looking to reduce email notifications and declutter your inbox, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once launched, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Notifications and then tap on Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 6. Look for and tap on Email Notifications. By selecting this option, you can manage the email notifications sent by X. Step 7. Finally, tap on Top Posts and Stories and then switch it to Off. This action will disable the email notifications for top posts and stories. Congratulations! You have successfully disabled posts, emails, and X, ensuring a cleaner inbox and reducing unnecessary notifications. Thank you for watching, and may you enjoy a more organized and streamlined experience with X.